Hi, this is Jason from JetskiBrothers, and today I am not doing a commercial for vintagejetski.com. So, swapping out the pump finally. I rode this ski enough to start liking it. I was trying to get rid of it. Someone had bought it. It would have been gone, but then I had all my friends out and I ended up riding it, and I rode it all day and I really had a great time on it. I guess the cool thing about it is the 550 like classic feel about it. It's super light, and then it's just got like a better and reliable engine. So fun. Anyway, here's the old impeller. I'll try to give you a look at it when I get it all the way out, but you can see just how like messed up it is. And I kind of sharpened these edges with like a pneumatic tool, but they're like concave. You can see they just curve in. So anyway, got a different impeller I'm gonna put on it that Jacob had. I hope it's the perfect pitch, but whatever. It's a Concord and 11/16. So that's what's going on today. I am opening up this pump, trying to get the impeller off, and I pulled the cone off, and I don't know if you're gonna be able to see, but it's got some water in it. Here, I'll just pour it out. So that's not so great. The grease is kind of milky in there, so it seems like this pump is gonna be happy that I'm gonna grease it up here as well. Yep. Feels not that greasy in there, so we'll give it some love on the way back, putting it back together. All right, we're in the shop. Well, we were. Let's go back there. Just broke the impeller free, so I'll give you a look at what came out of here. I've got all those concave edges on the front. The back is also like that. Maybe even worse. Really not much there. So I'm hopeful this is going to make a huge difference on this ski. It really has like no bottom end until it starts going. Just feels like the pump is spinning. You can see it's really chewed up on the back here and here, there, tons of pitting right in there, also there, also there. And then we check out the pump and got a couple of breaks on the vanes in there. So I don't know, it doesn't look too bad, but it doesn't look perfect, obviously. So I'm gonna reassemble this with this one, and little side-by-side comparison here for you. Old one, new one, so literally opposite edges. And on the back side, we've got the flat versus the shark fin, so that should be nice. Looks like the hub might be just a little bit bigger on the back, and you'll see that it starts. You know what? If you've seen a prop before, you get it. But this one tapers, and this one's kind of like that the whole way. So here we go. You guys are gonna ride? This is the Josh style thumbnail. You're gonna walk around. Look how I'm walking, and try to appreciate it. Josh loves doing this. I don't know if he loves it, but I think it's always funny.
I'm just waiting for him to stand up or to like pull a foot, and there's no flip flop on it.
Oh yeah, these flip flops are filthy. So that's great. All right, do you guys want to say who you are and that you're a jet ski brother? Oh man, that's great. This 550 I was doing a segment on. You know, maybe I should talk about it in a different segment. Oh, we are a menace. We're basically spark riders right now. You know, if you'd just gone right out after them, we'd have this staggered thing where we leave. It would have been so cool.
If the key had been on it.
If you had just known.
Or if I just grabbed the one on the Planet ski.
There's a key there. I have a key right here.
I know. I realized it when I came back.
Oh, don't.
Stuck.
You know, this is actually, this segment alone, you getting stuck.
Yeah.
You got that log over there?
Yeah, and there's another one closer to you. Can you see it?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, so be aware of those.
Great. There was a dock
somehow
here
pull
once.
myself up.
Long time ago.
Hey, but thanks for your light, jet ski brother.
Thank you for your light, Brother Arts.
Okay, I'm unstuck.
You know, you're supposed to take off right then. That would have been a great outro.
I wish I could have. I'm not that unstuck. Okay.
I don't know. Maybe we need a time lapse for that. It's Jason. And I just put a new prop in this ski. So that was like 2 days ago. And then I had to work the next day, and now we're camping. It was 3 days ago. Anyway, I'm like really excited to try out this ski. I did drive it over, but I didn't really think about it because we had 5 skis we were bringing over, and I was just like rushing everything. So I guess now I'm going to give you the review of having a new prop in this thing. And I hope that it's amazing. I did some footage of the props, so I don't know. I'm sure Josh will compile it beautifully. Someone's broke down already?
Huh?
Someone broke down already?
No.
I'm going out, so of course they're all coming in. All right, how's this prop? From a stop to a go. Oh, yeah. This thing was so pathetic before. And it might be about the same speed. This wind is going to be terrible. All right, let's see if that's better. So, first thoughts is that this ski actually goes when you go. The bottom end is way better. Before it would, I don't know, you could hear the prop spinning, but it didn't do anything, or it didn't do much. It took a while, and once you got moving, it was able to maintain speed pretty good. It seems like top speed might be similar still. But being able to go when you hit the gas, that's great. And I was enjoying this ski before, so I'm excited to enjoy it more. Way more control.
beach, so always show off a little bit in front of the swim beach. This is a place we usually camp. Nicer spots, more mosquitoes though. Okay, I guess I'll just talk about this thing for a second in case that wind made this footage terrible. Pretty much the prop made it so there's actually some bottom end. The other prop worked at the top end once you got up to speed, but it was kind of just churning water until you would get up to speed. So I'm thrilled. I'm gonna ride it harder this week. Should be a blast. Bye.